Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular note-taking apps, Obsidian and OneNOTE. If you're trying to decide which one to use, stick around, this video is for you. First up, Obsidian. This app is a favorite among power users and those who love getting in depth with their note-taking. Obsidian is built around the concept of network thinking, meaning your notes are linked and interconnected, creating a web of knowledge. It's like having your own personal wiki, and it's highly customizable with plugins and themes allowing you to tailor the app to your workflow. Obsidian shines when it comes to privacy and control. Your notes are stored locally on your device, so you have full ownership of your data. It's perfect for people who want a flexible markdown based note taking system and who are comfortable with a bit of learning curve. Now let's talk about OneNote. This app is great for those who prefer an intuitive freeform approach to note taking. OneNote mimics the experience of a physical notebooks where you can click and drag content anywhere on the page. It's perfect for quickly jotting down notes, adding multimedia, and organizing your work in a straightforward way. OneNote is fully integrated with Microsoft's ecosystem, which means it works seamlessly with apps like Word, Excel, and Teams. It's also cloud based, making it easy to access your notes from any device. And the best part, it's completely free, making it a solid choice for those who need a simple, no cost solution. So, how do you choose between Obsidian and OneNote? If you are looking for flexibility, a customizable experience, and want to build a connected network of nodes, go with Obsidian. But if you prefer a straightforward, user friendly app with great integration and cloud access, OneNote is the way to go. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.